everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing a Christmas inspired makeup look which I'm wearing right now and I love it and I'm obsessed with this makeup look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Honestly, it's really easy to recreate, like there's only a few colours that you use. I did try to do as much as possible in one palette, but I used the James Charles palette, wherever it's gone. The James Charles palette, which I've not used on my channel for a couple of videos now, it's been quite a while. And then I did use one shade from the Jeffree Star palette. I know, controversial using them together, but needed just one shade from this. But you can probably do it just with the James Charles. You don't need the little red shade that I used from the Blood Sugar palette, but you know, me being extra, I just wanted to make this eyeshadow look cute. But yeah, if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then keep watching. Ugly dokie, so I had to turn off my main bedroom light because it was ringing as always. So I'm just going to start off with the Pete Louise base. I have the shade 0.5, which is like the lightest, I think, minus white obviously. So I just literally squirt a bit on my hand and then I take this flat brush and I apply it to my lid, taking it under my eyebrows. I need a new flat brush. This one's like a cheap BH Cosmetics one and the hair's like falling out, so it isn't the best. Literally slobbering it all over my eyelids. And then I take a little fluffy brush and then I buff that all in to make it nice and even all over my lid. Once that's all buffed on, I'm going to go into my James Charles palette, which I've not used in forever. I'm going to go into the dark green shade here. I'm going to pat that on the outer corner. For that I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. I'm just going to pack on and then buff as I do it. Pack and then buff. And literally only bringing it halfway on my eye. Doesn't need to be too neat, we're going for like a buffed out eyeshadow look today. But yeah. Okie dokie, and next going to take a smaller fluffy brush and go into the lighter green shade in the palette, which is this one here. And just buff out those edges even more. And it's going to take a little bullet brush and go into the red shade in the palette, this one here, and bring that right on the inner corner. But not like buffing a lot, just literally placing the red down. So I'm buffing a little bit with the brush that I'm placing it down on, but not too much, and then just crossing over the two colours in the middle. Next then, can take a teeny tiny little bullet brush and I'm going to go into my Blood Sugar palette and take the shade Prick. Oh, this palette's so hard to open. Take the shade Prick, which is this one here, and use that to buff out the red a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and a white shade and just go around the edges and buff out all of those outer edges with a bit of white. Next I'm just going to wipe away the excess underneath. So you could just leave it as like a two-toned matte look with the like shades mashed in the middle. Or I wanted to add a bit of colour, so I'm going to add a little bit of green shimmer onto the middle. So I'm taking the Pete Louise base again with a different smaller flat brush and I'm just going to get some P. Louise base there. And look up and mark where I'm going to bring the little halo-y eye up to. Get a little bit more P. Louise base and I'm going to pop that on. Now that it's on there, I'm going to pack the sides. So this side the red and then this side the green, just over the edges of where you put the P. Louise base. Blend it in a little bit better. And then I'm going to go in with the shimmery shade in the James palette, this one here. Just going to take it on a little brush and pack that on. And then back in with the matte green and the matte red over the edges to blend it in. And then just with my finger going into the shade, I can't remember what the shade's called, and just tap that over the top to make it pop a little bit more. I think that shade's Ring Light. Yeah, Ring Light's the shade. Next I'm going to add eyeliner. I'm going to do a mixture of the tattoo liner and my Rimmel Exaggerate liner and pop that on my eyes. Okie dokie, so I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okie dokie, I am back and I'm keeping it quite simple. Next I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go into the shade Ring Light, the James Charles palette, and bring that underneath my brow. And then just taking the fluffy brush to blend the edges together. And to make it pop a little bit more, I'm going to go into the Ofra Highlight in Glazed Donut and just put that under this part of the eyebrow, the arch, just to make it really pop. Next I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to take this little stubby fluffy brush and into the light green, keeping it really simple. Just using this light green all along the lower lash line. Again, this is quite a blown out, messy look. It doesn't have to be neat. And connecting it to the top half as well. And then just to keep the eyeliner popping, I'm just going to go over the eyeliner and make sure after I've blended that green on, it's not like taken away from it. And then last thing on the eyes, other than mascara, I'm going to go back into the Ofra Highlight and just highlight the inner corner. You want this super glowy Christmassy look, so I've got to get that inner corner pop in. And yeah, I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my makeup and look a little bit more presentable, and I'll be back with the finished look. I am back and I am super excited. I can't believe it. This looks so good. I'm so happy. I put the red lipstick on and it's instantly made it 10 times more Christmassy and I am obsessed. I love Christmas. I love this makeup look. I popped some mascara. The lipstick is the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Mary Jo K. Love it. I had it for years now. Yeah, I am so excited. I popped a little pearly headband in. That is from Picanita x Misha Grimes. If you've not heard of Picanita or Misha Grimes, one, where have you been? But she just did a collaboration with Picanita. I love Picanita and their hairbands. I'll actually show you. So this is a part of a little set. You get this pearly scrunchie, you get this little bow scrunchie, and then you get a gingham scrunchie as well. And then I also bought from the collection her hairband, I know I'm pale, but geez man, the Chloe headband I think it is, which is this beautiful one here, which I don't think I've worn on my channel, but it's on my Instagram. But yeah, it's really pretty and I want more from her collection, but in general I just want more from Picanita because they do such really amazing accessories, and it came in a cute little Piccanito bag, which I like travel with now. Like I put all my hair accessories and everything in that to travel with, which is really handy. But yeah, little Piccanito section in there in this outro. But yeah, that's where this little pearlifying is from. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie. I upload every Sunday, if life's good to me. I have had a couple where I've not uploaded and I apologise, but life can be rough sometimes, you know, man. It can be rough. But yeah, most of the time I upload every Sunday, and then I have a vlog every now and again on a Wednesday when again my life is interesting, because I do work a 9 to 5, 7:30 till 6, possibly longer job. So yeah, if life's good, then you get a vlog and a Sunday video. And yeah, I really want you to subscribe to my channel. I love making these videos. I don't make any money from them. This is literally my hobby. This is my creative outlet that I like to do, and yeah, it means a lot to me when people subscribe and like and view. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, have a lovely day. I'm so happy with this Christmas look. Christmassy. Struggle is real. I really need to film another makeup look, but I don't want to take this one off because it's cute. Also, still in my pyjamas. It's cute, I don't want to take it off. Sad times.